Good morning to all. Let us start derivative of inverse unit function. Derivative of inverse unit function. Derivative inverse trigonometric function. Trigonometric function. Okay. Before going to this exercise, derivative inverse, let me explain the formula required. Derivative of sin inverse x, that is 1 by 1 minus x square. Derivative of cos inverse x will be minus 1 by 1 minus x square root over. Tan inverse derivative will be 1 by 1 plus x square, but cot inverse x will be minus 1 by 1 plus x square. Next, sec inverse x derivative is 1 by mod x into x square minus 1 root over. Cosec inverse derivative will be minus 1 by mod x into x square minus 1 root over. Just see, compare. Derivative sin inverse x is 1 by 1 minus x, but here only minus 1 difference. Here also 1 by 1 plus x square, but cot inverse minus 1 by. Cosec inverse, sec inverse 1 by x mod x into x minus 1, but here minus 1 by mod x into x square minus 1. Let's go to the exercise. I am doing the exercise part. Just see what is how to solve. See the exercise, differentiate each of the following with respect to x. Okay, differentiate each of the following with respect to x. First one given cos inverse 2x. You have to apply chain rule also. Okay, let's see. Question number 1, it is given y is equal to cos inverse 2x. Therefore, dy by dx will be d by dx of cos inverse 2x. First, let us apply the cos inverse derivative, that will be minus 1 by 1 minus x square. Here 2x ka whole square root over. Again, derivative of 2x. Derivative applying chain rule here. The 2x derivative is 2, that means minus 2 by 1 minus 4x square root over. Question number 1 complete. Just for final revision I am doing before going to annual exam. Question number 2, y is equal to tan inverse x square. Tan inverse x square. The second question given y equal to tan inverse x square. Therefore, dy by dx will be derivative of tan inverse. You have to apply the formula is 1 by 1 plus x square, means x square whole square. Again, derivative of x square. The derivative of x square is how much? 2x. 2x by 1 plus x to the power 4. Because x square whole square. Number 3. Question number 3 given y is equal to, you have to write y always, sec inverse root x. Sec inverse root x. Therefore, derivative will be, dy by dx will be 1 by root x into x square minus 1, means root x whole square, that will be x square x minus 1 root over. Again, you have to apply derivative of root x by applying chain rule. So this is nothing but 1 by x whole into x minus 1 root over. Root x derivative is how much? 1 by 2 root over x. 1 by 2 root over x. The final result is 1 by 2 root over x into x minus 1 whole root over. Okay. That means this will be, you can write this. This is the final answer. Let us go to question number 4. Question number 4, it is given y is equal to sin inverse x by a. Sin inverse x by a. Therefore, dy by dx will be derivative of sin inverse is how much? 1 by 1 minus x square, means x by a ka whole square root over. Again, derivative of x by a. Applying chain rule, x by means 1 by it will be. Then this will be a square minus x square root over by a square root over, means a by a square minus x square root over, and this one is 1 by a. A cancel, finally you are getting how much? 1 by a square minus x square root over. Okay. In this way, question number 4 also complete. Let us go one more question. See the question number 5, it is given y is equal to tan inverse log s. tan inverse log x. Therefore dy by dx is equal to d by dx of tan inverse log x. The first one you have to apply derivative of tan inverse, that is 1 by 1 plus x square, means 1 plus log x whole square. As per the formula 1 by 1 plus x square, x means here log x. Again derivative of log x, applying chain rule. Log x derivative is how much? 1 by x. That means 1 by x, you have to write like this, x whole into 1 plus log x whole square. This is answer. Number 5 completed. Question number 6. Y is equal to cot inverse e to the power x. E to the power x. This is the question. Therefore dy dx will be how much? Applying derivative of cot inverse, that will be minus 1 by 1 plus x square, means e to the power x whole square into derivative of e to the power x. The finally e to the x derivative e to the x, that means minus e to the power x by 1 plus e to the power 2x, and this is the result. Number 6. Question number 7. Question number 7, you see what is given here. Log of tan inverse x, y is equal to log of tan inverse x. First you have to apply derivative log x, that is 1 by tan inverse x. Again derivative of tan inverse x. The derivative of tan inverse x is how much? 1 by tan inverse x, and this one is 1 by 1 plus x square. Okay, so you can write like this, 1 by 1 plus x square into tan inverse x. Because the derivative of log means 1 by, log x derivative is 1 by x, here x means here tan inverse x. Again tan inverse derivative is 1 by 1 plus x square. Okay, number 7 completed. Question number 8. Just 8 to see what is given. Cot inverse x cube, y is equal to cot inverse x cube. I am doing these sums from the book R.S. Agarwal. Okay, the name of the book is R.S. Agarwal book for class 12. This chapter is derivative not only for class 11, 12 also required. Therefore dy by dx will be how much? Derivative of cot inverse is how much? Minus 1 by 1 plus x square, means here x cube whole square. Again derivative of x cube. The derivative of x cube is 3x square, that is minus 3x square by 1 plus x to the power 6. And this is the answer. Okay. Number 9. Question number 9, it is given y is equal to sine inverse cos x. Sine inverse cos x. Therefore dy dx will be how much? Derivative of sine inverse is how much? 1 by 1 minus x square, means here cos square. 1 minus cos square x root over. Again derivative of cos x. The derivative of cos x is how much? Minus sin x. Minus sin x. Derivative of cos x is minus sin x, and here 1 minus cos square means sin square root over is sin x. That means final answer is minus 1. Okay. Number 9 question, answer is say minus 1. I think it is clear. Last question to I do, number 10. Number 10, y is equal to tan inverse cot x. The first of all you have to apply tan inverse formula, that is 1 by 1 plus cot square x, because 1 plus x square formula. Again derivative of cot x. Derivative of cot x is how much? Minus cos square x. Derivative of cot x is minus cos square x whole divided by 1 plus cot square x. This is the answer of number 10. In this way 10 question completed from the chapter derivative of inverse derivative function. Try to practice these sums. This is the exercise number. This is the exercise up to 10 I have completed. Next day I will do more. I will complete the exercise. Thank you for today class.